Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your XTB account. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually log into your XTB trading account, and then here from the top panel click on withdraw, and then here just choose your trading account. And here, as you can see, these are some recent withdrawals, and all you need to do is go ahead and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. This is how much free cash you have available. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, say 200 euros, and then you'll see the fees, the total, the bank account you're withdrawing to, and then you just go ahead and hit OK right here. As you can see, withdrawal has been completed. Really that easy, and then you can check your bank account within 1 to 2 days. It should reflect onto your account. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.